Get ready to dive into the world of croissant production. Did you know the packaged croissant market is expected to grow by $1.85 billion from 2023 to 2028? Stay tuned to uncover surprising insights into the technology behind croissant making. Let's dive in. Ingredients preparation and mixing. The first step in the production process of croissants is preparation and mixing. In the specialized mixers designed for industrial-scale production, large quantities of flour, sugar, salt, yeast, butter, and water are precisely measured and combined. These mixers are equipped with powerful motors and robust mixing mechanisms to ensure thorough incorporation of the ingredients, resulting in a consistent dough texture. The entire mixing process is carefully controlled, with adjustments made to parameters like mixing time and speed to achieve the precise texture and elasticity needed for optimal dough quality. Rolling and folding. The next step is rolling and folding. During the croissant production process, a crucial step involves rolling and folding the dough, which is essential for creating the characteristic flaky layers of a croissant. At this stage, industrial dough sheeters play a pivotal role. These specialized machines efficiently roll out the dough into thin, consistent sheets. Designed to handle large volumes of dough, they ensure high productivity levels in a factory setting. Dough sheeters maintain a uniform thickness and offer flexibility with precision rollers and adjustable settings, ensuring consistent final products and accommodating specific recipe needs. By using industrial dough sheeters, the factory can make the rolling process smoother while achieving the precise texture and layering required for high-quality croissants on a large scale. Cutting process. Moving on to the next step, which is the cutting process. When it comes to handling dough sheets at scale, they're guided through rotating blades that carefully trim their sides, ensuring clean and uniform edges. This careful cutting on the sides isn't just for looks. It makes the final product look better and ensures everything stays the same for the next steps. Then, specialized machines with cutting tools refine the dough, slicing it into classic triangular shapes tailored perfectly for the iconic croissant. Filling process. The next step is the filling process. Once the dough is shaped into triangles, it goes through a machine equipped with small injectors. These injectors are designed to dispense various fillings or flavors into the center of each dough piece as it moves along the production line. From indulgent chocolate cream to fruity jams, the fillings injected into the croissant dough offer a range of sweet options. As the dough moves through the machine, a rotating blade delicately lifts and curls its edges, initiating the rolling process. Simultaneously, a soft material, typically made of food-grade plastic or silicone, is placed over the dough to maintain the rolling momentum and prevent sticking to the conveyor belt. This duo works together seamlessly to shape the dough into the classic crescent form of croissants. Shaping process. So, the next step is the shaping process. As the dough rolls down the line, it encounters rotating wheels or side rollers spaced along the conveyor belt. These gently press the dough, shaping it efficiently into the desired form. In more advanced setups, robotic arms with grippers or paddles may handle the shaping process. These arms lift and manipulate the dough pieces with precision, ensuring uniformity in both shape and appearance. Color and flavor enhancement. After the shaping process is completed, the next step is color and flavor enhancement. Factories use different techniques to add alternate colors and flavors to the dough, providing a variety of options for consumers. One method is to mix ingredients directly into the dough, like cocoa powder or melted chocolate for chocolate croissants. On the other hand, factories can also use natural colorings, such as fruit juices, vegetable extracts, or spices to make the croissants more colorful. Moreover, they may choose to enhance the flavor and texture by sprinkling chocolate chips, nuts, seeds, or sugar crystals over the croissants. The baking. Croissants are put on big trays made for quick, large-scale baking. The trays have hole shapes to hold each croissant, so they don't lose their shape while baking. Then they go through the factory's big ovens. The ovens use advanced rolling and rotating systems for even baking and consistent heat distribution. This results in a perfectly golden brown croissant with a flaky texture. The controlled movement of the trays within the oven optimizes the baking process, allowing for efficient production of high volumes of croissants while maintaining quality standards. Sorting and handling. Moving on to the next step, which is sorting and handling. Advanced robotic arms sort and handle freshly baked croissants with precision. Equipped with cutting-edge vision systems and machine learning algorithms, they accurately identify and select croissants from conveyor belts. With this technology, the robotic arms analyze factors like size, shape, color, and texture to group croissants effectively for packaging. By choosing croissants with similar shapes, they ensure consistency and appearance in each batch, maintaining the uniformity and visual appeal of the final product. Packaging. The next step is packaging. After sorting, croissants move onto various conveyor streams based on their characteristics for efficient packaging. Additionally, these systems can inject flavors into the baked croissant. Using precise tools, they create small holes in croissants without affecting their structure, allowing for flavorful fillings to be injected. Specialized machinery automatically wraps croissants in plastic for packaging. High-speed flow wrapping machines are commonly used and equipped to handle rapid packaging. Conveyor belts transports croissants to the packaging area, where they're automatically fed into the wrapping machine. Inside the wrapping machine, a continuous roll of plastic film wraps around the croissants as they move on the conveyor belt. The film is sealed and cut around each croissant, creating tightly wrapped packages. Automated sensors ensure precise sealing. Advanced machines may include features like gas flushing or vacuum sealing to extend shelf life by removing oxygen or adding inert gases. Distribution. Now, the last step is the distribution process. Automated robotic arms manage the packaged croissants for distribution. These robots have advanced sensors and precise grippers, allowing them to efficiently pick up croissants from conveyor belts and place them into large carton boxes. The robotic arms swiftly identify and grab each wrapped croissant as they move on the conveyor belts. With precision, they place them in carton boxes, optimizing space and minimizing wastage. These automated systems are crucial for smoothly distributing freshly packaged croissants to retailers, supermarkets, and other outlets. They meet consumer demand with precision and reliability, ensuring croissants reach their destinations promptly and in top condition. Exploring croissant production has been an exciting journey through the world of baking. From mixing ingredients to shaping and distribution, each step plays a crucial role. We hope you enjoyed learning about the process. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll explore more interesting products. In the next video, you'll see